Hey guys, it's your trainer Joe and Vicky here. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna take you on a quick workout to show you guys our training style. Vicky and I are both master trainers with over 10 years of training experience helping clients lose weight, build muscle, and ultimately get in the best shape of their life. We cover the 5 components of fitness, which are food intake, resistance training, cardiovascular training, and food supplementation. So if you guys like our video, click the subscribe button to our YouTube channel and also book your one-on-one free consultation where Vicky and I could either come to your home, your apartment, or the gym to help you train and ultimately hit your fitness goals. So thank you for watching this video and we hope to talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, we got exercise number 1, which is gonna be push-ups with a kick out. So this actually works the abs. It's just a really good warm-up. It's not an actual full push-up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab an exercise box, or you can use the ground if you don't have an exercise box. The only nice thing is if you do use a step, it makes it a little bit easier for those beginners. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in a push-up position right here, keep the back straight, and all you're gonna do is kick the legs out, bring them together. Kick them out, bring them together, just like this. We're gonna do 3 sets, 30 seconds, as quick as you can. It's back and forth. Ready, Vicky? Here we go. Let's get the first exercise done. And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Relax. Excellent job. Feel that breathing. Hey guys, exercise number 2 is going to be for the back of the arms, the triceps. There's 3 muscles in the triceps. So what we're going to do is we're going to lean forward right here. The back should almost be flat, as you can see. You don't want to be arched back with your shoulders. You don't want to be hunched back over. Your shoulders need to be rolled back. And the elbows are going to come up right here. And all we're going to do is we're going to kick back, squeezing the triceps, the back of the arms right here. Good squeeze in the back. 90 degrees with those elbows, kicking all the way back. We're going to go ahead and do 3 sets, 20 reps for this exercise. Let's get them done. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Flex those triceps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get them back. 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent job. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Get them back. 18. All the way. Come on. 19, 20, and relax. Excellent. Excellent. Exercise number 3, what we're going to do is we're going to work the chest for this exercise. This also works the core. So what we're going to use is a stability ball. And all you're going to do is you're going to roll back. Now make sure this ball is roughly at a 90-degree angle for your knees. So if the ball's too low, it's probably not going to work as well. So make sure it's about 90 degrees. What we want to do is roll back on this ball right to our shoulder blades, and we're going to rest our head. We want to keep our butt up high, squeezing the glutes, working the abs. That works the core. The dumbbells are going to come together, and then we're going to come down to the side of your chest and push up and squeeze. All the way down, all the way up and squeeze. Now this is working a lot of different areas. You're going to feel it in the glutes, you're going to feel it in the abs, but more importantly, we're working the chest. So all the way down, all the way up. We're going to do 3 sets, 20 reps for this exercise when we first start. Now you can obviously increase the weight when we get going, but that's what we're going to do now. Let's get them done, Vicky. And begin. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, squeeze that chest. 5, all the way down to the side. 6, there you go, to the side. 7, 8, good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, good. 14, 15, down to the side, come on. 16, good, nice flat back. 17, 18, squeeze that chest, come on. 19, get them up, one more. and 20. Great job, great job. Hey guys, exercise number 4, what we're gonna do is what they call a kickback. Now this is for the glute, really good for the butt. So we're gonna do 3 sets, 30 repetitions for this one. So all you wanna do is find something that you can lean against. It could be the wall. We're gonna use a step-up box. You can use a chair to get a little bit lower if you want. But all we're gonna do is keep the toe pointed directly forward, and then the foot that you're gonna use, or the leg that you're gonna use, we're gonna keep that toe forward as well. We're gonna kick out directly to this, not directly to the side, but kind of at an angle. We don't wanna go sideways completely here. We wanna go back at an angle, not straight back here, just to the side here. And we're gonna squeeze the glutes right here, leaning forward all the way up, keep the resistance, and down. Up and down, 3 sets, 30 repetitions, squeezing at the top of the exercise. Up and down. Then we're gonna switch legs, all the way up, squeeze, all the way down. Now you're gonna feel it right here in the glute because it's flexing that muscle all the way up and down. Here you go, let's get them done, Vic. Here you go, 20 on each leg. Let's kick them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7, 8, good control. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, good. 14, 15, 5 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, good. 5, 6, squeeze those glutes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, get them up. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, all the way up in 20. Relax, excellent job. Nice. Feel the burn in the glutes. Okay guys, our final exercise number 5 is going to be called squats on a ball. And this is actually an easier modified way of doing squats. It may look a little bit more difficult, but you'll find that it's actually pretty easy. It's a beginner exercise. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this ball against the lower part of our back right here, put it up against the wall, lean on the ball. Don't worry, it's not shaky, lean on it. And keep the shoulders straight, core straight, feet shoulder width apart, stomach in tight. You want to look in front of you. You want to pick something up on the wall where your eyes are directly in front of you, looking up. You don't want to be looking down when you do this exercise. All we're going to do is we're going to come down into a squat, come up and squeeze the quad. So this is a quad and glute exercise here. All the way down, all the way up and squeeze. We're going to do 3 sets, 30 repetitions. Now this is for beginners. When you get a little bit more advanced and you feel that that's getting easy, we can put a weight or a kettlebell between your legs and then come down and up to add more resistance. But for now, we're gonna get 3 sets of 30. Let's get them done, Vic. 1, 2, 3, 4, bend those knees. 5, 6, 90-degree angle. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, there you go, 12, keep them bent, come on, 13, all the way down, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, good, squeeze those quads, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, good, 24, 5 more, come on. 26, 27, 28, 2 more, 29, and 1 more. Relax. Okay guys, that concludes our workout for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and schedule your one-on-one free consultation with us. Vicky and I are here to help you achieve your fitness goals. We also have our phone number posted below as well, so pick up the phone and give us a call if you have any questions. And we hope to see you guys out on the gym floor soon. Thank you for watching.